do anything, I like to write a list down of what needs to be done for the day so I can tick things off as I go along. And then I just put on a quick wash using non-bio detergent and comfort softener. Good morning guys. So as you've just seen, I've put a wash on already and I've written out the list of what I need to do today. I'm going to do a deep clean, I think, of the house. And then in next time's cleaning video, I'm going to take off all the sofa cushions and wash them and give them a good old clean for spring. Because at the minute, I think it won't dry because of the weather. But the wash I'm going to do, I am going to stick outside and not put it on the drying rack. But because there's so many covers, I don't think they'll dry, but we'll see. I might do that. I haven't put it on the list yet because I need to take all these decks down and just give it a good old spritz up and clean. I'm going to wash the floors today as well because I've still got like sellotape marks from where the Christmas tree was. So I'm going to give that a good old deep clean. And yeah, so if you want to come along for my deep clean, please do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the fam. Announcement is coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm just going to give everything a deep clean. I'm going to wash the floors, sort out the bathroom. If anyone knows any tips for getting mould off the bathroom, let me know in the comments because that is the bane of my life. And I can't do it. It just doesn't come off. Like some of it comes off, but it doesn't come off on the screen. So I'm debating whether to get a new shower screen. That is on the list as well to measure up. So we're just going to have a good old cleaning session today and taking the decks down because... And also this happened, just thought I'd put it out there. So I had like love heart, you know, that hug love heart on this side. There was one on this side and this happened. So I'm going to try and repair this as well. Will be a bodge job repair, but I'm going to try. So yeah, that happened. So, and I put it up with them, you know, them sticky things. I don't know what they're called. These, like hooks. So they're supposed to not damage your wall. I don't know if you can see that. Like the hooks. So that was a bit of a, yeah. But at some point, because I'm on furlough now for a bit, I know we're going back soon. Who's excited? So I need to get all the stuff done before we can like go back into the normal world. But I really want to repaint the top of here because where the decks have been, there's a bit of paint that's come off, and then I want to get some more of them hook things. So when we come to Christmas time, I can just have them up, and hopefully they won't damage the wall like they did on this side. And yeah, so that's the plan. Got a lot to do today and I just can't wait to just have a clean house, do you know? So I'm gonna stop rambling. It is 5 to 9, so we've got literally all day to do this. I don't think it will take all day, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna start by taking the decks down. That's my mission, and then we'll see what comes next. All right. To start this huge cleaning video off, I'm taking all the Valentine's Day decorations down, from banners to fairy lights to cuddly toys, and just boxing them up ready to go in the loft. This took me around 30 to 45 minutes to take everything down. I started in the living room to take decorations down as this is my most decorated room, and then I moved on to the hallway and also took a banner down in the kitchen, which I didn't film. While I continued to take the decorations down, I'm gonna leave you to listen to this funky music and let you watch the time lapse until I get onto the cleaning section of the video. I used Method Cleaner to wipe down the windowsill, and then I used a windowsill cleaner from Wilko to wipe down the windows.
Drumming round and going forward, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
I also used Method Cleaner to wipe down the coffee tables. Using a cloth, I then just wiped down my picture frames that are in the living room to get rid of any dust. Dust? Anyone? No? Using the Method Cleaner again, I wiped down the TV and the TV stand to get rid of any dust or anything that was left over from Valentine's Day. I also had to chuck out these beautiful flowers as they died that Charlie bought me for Valentine's Day. I then started hoovering the sofa and decided to take off all the cushions to do underneath. It was pretty disgusting, to be fair. And then I also put a little bit of Method Cleaner on the backboard of the sofa, as there was this white stuff on there, so I had to try and get that off.
I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if
I then used Vanish carpet and sofa cleaner to get rid of any dirt on the sofa and just to freshen it up a bit. As I said in the intro, that I wasn't gonna wash the covers as the weather isn't at that great yet to do that. So that's what I did. Then I did the exact same on the second sofa.
Time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, go.
I then just gave the room a good old hoover and also moved the sofas around so I could get underneath them to give them a good old hoover, as they were a bit grimy underneath there as well. I then decided to sort out the cat toys as they haven't been using all of them anymore, so I decided to get rid of the ones that they weren't using and just tidy this section up a bit.
I'ma let you go. If you want it and you should find a home, but if you wanna travel then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind, not even 1 minute.
The last thing I did in the living room was give the floor a good old steam clean using this steam clean mop. I will see if I can find something similar and link it in the description bar below.
You were here to give me everything I want, but I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Oh, oh, I wish that you were here. Oh.
Moving on to the dishwasher, where I picked up any items that were dirty that were on the side and placed them in the dishwasher to be cleaned. I'm using the original dishwasher capsules, Magnum Premium all-in-one. I believe these are from Aldi, to give all the products a clean that are in the dishwasher. I then moved on to washing up any items that couldn't be placed in the dishwasher. I then emptied my Morphe Richard bins. If you want to check out these bins, I will leave them in the description bar below because they're really good. So yeah, I just emptied the bins and wiped them down with anti-bac wipes. I use 2 bins, one's recycling and one's main bins. However, I don't put the black bag in the recycling bin, if anyone's wondering.
We can't always have it all. I wish that you were here.
I then wiped down the sides and the cupboards with Method Cleaner. I then decided to clean the oven with elbow grease oven cleaner. Basically what you do is you put the items in a bag for it to get all the grease off overnight. I used the excess to clean the inside of the oven.
In my head there's a hole I can't control. That's where my demons get in. And it's taking me years. Now it is clear my shadow is my only twin. And the ones that love me the most are the ones that up and ghost. And I got a feeling that the reason that they go in my stomach, I feel that people toughen up, but I scared of shit. And when I lay my head, it shows. Yeah, I got this on my side, not there.
I then also used the excess of the oven cleaner to wipe the trays down.
My remedy, I never sleep, but with you I can get some rest. Yeah, I got this on my side.
I then cleaned the other side with Method Cleaner, and I also decided to clean the wine rack. So all I did was take the bottles out one by one and just wipe the inside, as I noticed there was dust along there.
I waste away the rest of me, the best of me.
This microfiber fabric cloth is really good for monochrome items, so it basically makes them look brand new. So all I did was go over the monochrome bits of the kitchen so it looked squeaky clean.
Where you can take the knife away.
I then hoovered and steam mopped the kitchen floor, and that was it. The kitchen was done.
On the ones that love me the most, and the ones that up and ghost, and I get a feeling that the reason that they go in my stomach, I feel that pit, toughen up, but I scared.
Moving on to the bedroom, the first thing I did was make the bed. I then put back any items on my dresser that weren't supposed to be out on the side, and I also gave that a good wipe with the Method cleaner and also anti-back wipes. If anyone has any tips for cleaning oak wood, let me know in the comments below. Moving on to the windowsill, I used Method cleaner to wipe the windowsill, and then I also used the Wilko windowsill cleaner to wipe the windows down. Onto mine and Charlie's dressing room side tables. All I did was use Method cleaner to wipe them down and get rid of any dust.
In my head there's a hole I can't control. That's where my demons get.
I then used the Method cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean the mirrors. I then hoovered the room and also gave it a steam mop.
Every time you cry, feelings.
Moving on to the bathroom, I changed the towels to clean towels.
Glitter is so gold. Why do we deny what we feel inside? It's freezing my soul, so hot and so cold. Yes, so yeah, cry.
I wiped down the sides with Method cleaner and also wiped down my bath rack. I did also do the toilet and take off everything and wipe it down. However, my camera ran out of battery at this point and I didn't realise.
Keep the vibe alive. I can tell the feeling.
Moving on to the hallway, I ended up getting all my shoes out, so I decided to organise them in this cupboard.
Little fuck for a little. Stuck in the middle, stuck in the middle. You know that it's so, yeah, hot that it's cold, yeah. Fight for a little, fight for a little, yeah.
I then changed my Febreze smeller and I changed it to the vanilla cookie, which smells absolutely amazing.
It's cold, it's roses. What is the motive? You cut me off.
Using an extendable duster, I cleaned the windowsill in the hallway. I then hoovered the hallway.
It's wrong. We let 'em out, we're in the
And wiped down the banister with Method cleaner. I then used this Zazouche carpet and sofa foam, which is similar to Vanish, however I ran out. Lastly, I sat down on the sofa to fold all the clean washing. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super long deep clean and undecorate with me. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, follow me on socials, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye!
You know that it's so, yeah, hot that it's cold, yeah.